Isn't it weird, like 3 seconds to make a first impression when you meet a new person? That's a very little amount of time to come to a conclusion or to judge a person. But don't worry, I got you back. My name is Sachin Ashur, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can make a killer first impression. You don't have to do anything. Just sit down, relax, and watch this video till the end. So, my name is Sachin Ashur. Welcome to the family. And if you're watching me for the first time, welcome. I couldn't be happier. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Imagine this situation, when you're with your friends, casually chilling, talking about all stuff and all, and one of your friend passes by with a really pretty girl by him, and they see you, and they come up to you and they say, "Hey, hi, this is my friend so and so," and the pretty girl looks at you and she's like, this guy really knows how to dress well. And probably she made a really good first impression by just looking to your clothes itself. So make sure you wear clothes that actually fit you. And if you're wearing a baggy and too tight clothes, probably she won't come up to you and say, "Hey, hi," or introduce herself to you. So make sure you wear really good clothes that actually fit you, and you can go with plain clothes only. It doesn't matter when you're wearing big logos and everything. Just plain t-shirts or plain shirts will do the job. And now you tell me which face looks attractive or not. Probably we'll go with a sad face, like a serious one, like or yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. So you can see this difference, a very vast difference when you are very serious and when you smile. And according to science, people who smile in the photos or in general are way more attractive than people who have a serious face. So don't be serious all the time. Just chill out, relax, and make sure you smile and exaggerate your smile in such a way it attracts people's. And you never know when you're smiling and someone passes by and looks at you and says, "You're cute." So keep smiling. The first and second thing is done. You are wearing really good clothes and you're smiling and people notice you. But what happens when they approach you and say, "Hey, I'm so and so," and everything? What you gonna do? So when someone approaches you and says hi, don't look down or look up or towards the side and greet them. Make sure when you're going up front, look them in the eye and say, "Hey, hi, my name is Sachin. How are you doing? Good. I hope you had a wonderful day today." So make sure eye contact is very important to make a killer impression. The fourth thing is your mood. You might ask, "Sachin, why does your mood have an influence on the first impression?" I'll tell you why. You are in a really bad mood and you're not interested, and someone comes up and says, hi, how are you doing?" And you'll be like, "Hey, hi, yeah, I'll talk to you." So that person might get offended. Don't do such things. Make sure when you're meeting new people or you're going to a party or your office, you're meeting your boss, your colleagues, or any important person in your life, make sure you are always in a cheerful and a joyful mood. It has a really positive effect. So right now I'm in a really good mood and someone comes and approaches and says, "Hey, hi, how are you doing?" It's like, "Hey, hi Josh, how are you doing?" "I'm really good, man," and everything. So you can see there's this positive vibes which radiate when you are in really good mood, and the person also feels really good talking to, and you can continue the conversation and build up your whole talk. And the fifth thing which you can do is to listen and then question. So what happens in a new conversation is, like, we are so excited and everything, and we start asking random questions which actually intrigues the opposite person, thinking like, why is this person asking so many questions? So when you're meeting a new person who is superior to you or younger to you, make sure you listen to what the person is saying first and then you answer. So it's like giving space to the other person to tell out the opinion or voice out the opinion towards you or talk about anything. So make sure you listen first and then speaks. It portrays a situation that you are very calm, you're very poised, and you are a gentleman. This is the a bonus tip which you can take, to improve your first impression and take your game to the next level is to practice. You can't come up with really good lines, really good greeting messages at the first instance. So it takes time to build up the first impression and to generate that kind of confidence to make sure whatever you or whomever you meet to be really think about you to make that kind of an impression. So make sure you go in front of the mirror and practice your first impression or your first greetings, what you're going to do when you're going to meet a new person, probably in your office or in your party or anywhere. So it actually builds a confidence that when you're meeting a stranger, people always feel nervous, but you can overcome that nervousness by practicing. And when you are doing all these things, you have that confidence, and nobody can stop a confident person, nobody. So make sure you start working on yourself and make the best impression to be the first impression. You don't have to wait for second, fourth, fifth impression to be a best impression. Make your first impression be the best. Go ahead in this video. If you're new to the family, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below saying what topic should I be talking in my next video, and if you like my content, hit that like button, man, hit it. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.